and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Look Fantastic box for October of 2020. I do have to say really quick that they did send this to me for free for review, but I am ecstatic, so excited, because Look Fantastic is an amazing beauty and skincare website. They're basically like Beauty Bay and Beautylish, but this is based over in the UK. Now, since this is the first time that I am reviewing this box, I want to compare this to pretty much all the other subscription boxes that I have reviewed on this channel. So first off, I want to say that the monthly price for this is $19, and this comes from the UK, but it's free delivery. You don't have to pay for the shipping. It's $19 plus the taxes. So that's good. But if you locked in a 3-month subscription, it's only $18. Or a 6-month subscription is $17. Or if you lock in a 12-month subscription, this is only 16 bucks. So the value of this, if you lock it in, is way cheaper than a Allure Beauty box. It is way cheaper than Glossy box, which is $23 a month, because they factor in the shipping costs when you can get it for $10 in the UK. So I say so far, if you lock this in for 12 months, you're getting a heck of a deal. So anyways, if you guys are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So before we get into unboxing this, I want to let you guys know of an amazing deal that Look Fantastic is going to be giving you. So I'm going to have a link down below in the description where you can go and purchase your Look Fantastic subscription box. But here's the deal I have for you. So the first 20 people to sign up through my link will actually get their first month for free if you lock in a 3-month subscription, which costs $18. But if you are not one of the lucky 20 people, I am so sorry, but there's still a really good deal for you guys. If you lock in the 3-month subscription, you will receive your very first box half off, which is exciting. So it'll only be $8 for your very first box in a 3-month subscription. So I just wanted to say that. I will have that information down below. You know, you guys can just read about it, blah, blah, blah. Go check out the site, and if you want to purchase, go shop through my link. And I think that little bit of a discount is really amazing. But anyways, let's get into the video. Now, I'm so excited to get into this box. Like, it's so nice quality, and you guys, it smells so good. I don't know what's in here that's smelling so good, but there's a pamphlet in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have a pretty thick pamphlet. Oh, and there's also a Beauty Box November sneak peek on the back. So that is a sneak peek coming in the box next month. Great. Okay, so I'm sure this is going to give us all of the details that's coming in here. Look at how nicely this is packaged. Like, and this box is like gift box material, you know what I mean? Like, it is a nice quality. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay, so right on top we have the Earl Grey Bath Tea, Bubble Tea Bath and Body, and I think this is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box exclusive or something, because it does say Beauty Box on it. Let me just read the description. It is, after a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea containing 100 grams of tea infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. Ooh, that's exciting. I love baths. I love baths. And this isn't even what's smelling good. If you've never played around with bath salts, I highly recommend. I love them so much. I usually do like the Epsom salt ones, but this one I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know. I'm gonna be soaking in tea. I'm gonna be like a tea bag. Anyways, next up from Starskin, we have the Eye Catcher. This is the Soothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. Super fun. We see this brand in Ipsy a lot, and I'm excited to give this a try, especially because Starskin is actually a good brand, like a really good brand. And oh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so we have from Glove and Relax. This is the soft hair wrap. Soft hair wrap. Super absorbent hair towel, shorter drying time. Now, I know you guys are probably like, okay, it's a towel for your hair. Guess what, guys? I use this. Like, it's sitting over here because every day I use this hair towel, and I got it in a box deluxe a while back, and I've used it ever since because I do get cervical muscle spasms, so it will literally trigger that, and I will have a bad 3-day experience of pain and headaches if I put a regular towel on my head. So I'm so freaking pumped to get this. Oh my god, I was actually thinking of buying another hair towel wrap because sometimes I lose this one and I can't find it, and like I'm suffering. Oh my gosh. And it says glove on the side. Then here's your little button, and what you do is you just put your hair in it and then you wrap it like this, and then you do it in the back, and it's like weightless. Like, it's not heavy at all, like as if you put like a towel on your head. So I'm so excited about this. And this one's pretty large, so if you have a thick head of hair, you'll be able to fit it in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I know this is so simple and like, you know, whatever, but like this even feels such good quality. Like, they have some out there that are like really cheap, and they're not gonna absorb all of the water out of your hair, but this one feels like it's gonna really do the work for me. So I'm excited. I really am. Oh my god. I'm excited. Okay, great. Okay, next up we have from the brand, what is this brand? I don't know what this brand is called. This is the Overnight Foot Cream, and it treats and moisturizes, which if you've seen the bottom of my feet, you guys would know I really need this product. And this is a really good size. Come on, zoom. There we go. This is the packaging. I want to smell it. Woo! It's got that, like, have you ever tried those Noxzema face pads? It has that, like, really, I don't even know the scent, but it smells like it's going to do some work on your feet, and I am going to put this on tonight. And I might even share a little bit with my boyfriend because his feet are nasty. He does a lot of outside work, so that's why. Anyways, next up we have something from the brand Terry, and this is a Balm de Rose. I assume this is going to be in a completely different language. So this is going to be a brand that is available over in the UK. So if it's not familiar to you, that is why. And I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna look into the pamphlet and we'll get back to this in just a second. And then we have the Balance Me Soothing Serum. It says our plant-based alternative to retinol improves the radiance, texture, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. It says smooth a pea-sized amount of serum onto a cleansed face and neck. It's also vegan, so that's good. So here is that packaging. I want to give it a smell test. Maybe it was that tea that I was smelling because I don't know what else I could have been smelling. Actually, this is what I was smelling. How am I smelling this out of the box? That smells so good. Now, so far, overall, pretty happy. So what is this? This is the travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm and combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower, wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. Ooh, okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, what does this smell like? Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, I really smell the rose in there. Oh, and it's a nice sheer color, but it has like a little bit of a wash of whatever this like beigey color is. It smells so good. There it is right there. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, here is their advent calendar. I've heard nothing but good things about this advent calendar. I just wanted to say that really quick. They have like such a nice little book that goes along with this too. So my overall thoughts on this box. Would I pay the $19? Absolutely, because it is free delivery. It's coming from the UK and you're not having to pay the customs shipping or anything like that. So I think this is a wonderful box, and honestly, I would go for the 12-month lock-in subscription and only pay the $16 a month. So I highly recommend just going for the full year, which you don't have to pay up front. You're just locking in that subscription that you're saying, yes, I'm going to pay every month for this box, and you get it for $16, which I say that's gonna be the best deal, because getting all this for 16 bucks would be a steal. And especially because of the free shipping, I'm actually really impressed with this box, and I do highly recommend. And I'm going to definitely look more into these because I'm I'm pretty interested, if I shall say so myself, especially because I canceled my Allure box because they did switch the price up to $23 a month, which is insane, and it was not worth it for it was not worth it for October, and I'm still waiting to see some spoilers for November, so check those out when I do have them up and when they come out, because I know people that have been unboxing their Allure box for October are not happy, and I warned y'all. That is not a good value there. But this here, I say, is such a good value. I'm just saying. And it's cheaper than Allure. And you get amazing products. And I'm very excited. But anyways, that is it for this video. I want to know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Like always, are you guys thinking about signing up for the subscription? Let me know. And yeah, that is it for this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!